I will talk about my topic is cloud security. My group member are Wesley, Yaolu, Michael, and Daniel. We have a same topic with cloud security, but my topic is cloud security in the world, in the real world. So firstly, what's a cloud? The cloud is in the sky, and you can see it, but you can't touch it. So this is a real cloud. So for IT, what is the cloud? The cloud is a data center. It's more like many of the data center connection together and get a biggest the data center for you doing your work, to help you doing your work. It's more like if so many people is doing a computing projector together, we call it a cloud computing. Is many people doing something on the internet, like storage, and we save the database into a similar storage like cloud storage. So the problem is a cloud like a concept. The concept is for many people connection to one place, and they can do work together. So why we use it? The problem is why we use this cloud. And above, like I see, it's make many people together. It's more like this makes you don't need bio requirement for your project. You just can rent the project from the requirement company. It's more like you want to live in a room, but you don't need buy a room, you just need to rent a room. So this is service made to be centralized, and people respond for parts. People respond for different parts, like the Amazon. Amazon is responsible for the service. We call the cloud, and we just responsible for like the design or develop the software. So it's very clear. You don't need to worry about many things. It's more like you want like buy a requirement but finish a project. You just have to throw out. You don't need that. You just need rent a cloud service. You can do everything you want, and the cloud service will update by the cloud companies, so you don't worry about the requirement is old or something else. So the most important is it's not only for reduce the resource. It suppose people to share the resource and cooperation. It means the work together. Security, cloud security. First, you need imagine a triangle. The first there have a 3 layer. For this triangle, the first layer is service. Is SaaS. SaaS means software service. The service for software. So it means you can just download a software and you can get your cloud. You can use a cloud. It's more like a Google application and some emails, the Hotmails, like this one. So it's means just you didn't have many control for this SaaS, but but you can save you database for this one. You don't data for this one, but you can't building your database like the storage. You can't building a storage. So when you want to be doing a storage, or you want to development more development software or development anything else, you want more control for this one, like control for cloud. So you will go to the PaaS. The PaaS is platform service. The platform service like Google application Engine and Windows Amazon and Windows Azure and role-based is more like this one. You can do a manager, run, and develop a web application you want on this platform, and so that's. But you want to more like this one. You want to design like the language and whatever you want. You want more control for this one, so you go back to the very base one. The base one is IaaS. The IaaS actually is have you get the most of the control for the cloud and the cloud computing. I mean, the Google Cloud Storage is just the storage. You can just use the storage to save all you want. You not get some help. Actually, you just do what you want to do. So except these three things, that you have other three things you need to know is the types of cloud. Firstly, the public cloud. Public cloud is more like Facebook and Hotmail and website. Is more like this one. Is the public cloud is saved all of the people data or information to the one cloud. Like the Facebook, I post a picture, you post a picture, but we save together. Actually, we find and you can know it, and if I go log in it, I can see use, and I also can see mine. So this is for public cloud. So the security is less. Actually, the security is not good for this one. So then, if you want more, is privacy cloud. The privacy cloud, it means you are only one can log in this cloud. So you can see very like the personal things that is actually the most fit for the business company. They have like the bank, they have user information and the payment on online payment system. Or is other things is very important. I don't want people others know about this one, so we will rent a privacy cloud to do this one for this information and database. So these are public things and the privacy, but people don't want these two things because for publicity the secrecy is very good, but it's hard to work together. But the public cloud is this security. So recently we have a new types of the cloud. It's a hybrid cloud. Actually, it just makes the public cloud and the private cloud, so you can get all of the benefits from the public and private. It means you can doing the development in the privacy part, then you complete, then you can put it to the public part. These two things is more like good. So that's all about this about the security. Now we are talking about the security, about the leakage, about the security cloud security, Azure cloud system. 2011, the Sony company just make a new cloud system for which is PSN for the PlayStation 3. So this means you don't need to buy a physical CD, or you don't need to download the game in your PlayStation. You just need to download the game to your cloud. So it means you don't need more hardware to save. Save you game in your PlayStation. You just need a good network. You just need to get a good network and connect to cloud, and you just play it online. It's more like this one. So the problem is the Sony company just released the public key for PSN, but and the George Hotz actually George Hotz is actually a hacker, is very famous hack, very famous hack. He told the PSN Sony they shouldn't do that because they see dangerous behavior, but the company didn't believe that. So it will happen. It will happen. In last 6 months, the PSN was be attacked by many hacks, and they just get many user information, and they also can use this one by game from the PSN. Is more like so actually the Sony just lost $1 billion for this event. The second one is for iCloud. iCloud is just recently there's so many. It's a big things. So the second event is iCloud. The iCloud is very famous. Actually, is very famous company. They get a very stronger system to protect them the users. So, but many of the people just some personal picture just come out, find out for hack. The hack just logging. Actually, they log in user some virus and some rooms virus to get your computer or iPhone, because the iPhone is different. Apple is different. The Mac and iPhone use a similar account with iCloud. So they hack just make some coding to store the username and password, so you can just log in to your privacy cloud. And it's very famous because there's too many famous people just be hacked, and many personal picture just come out. So there's two things. The first one is for company, the cloud company, the service. they didn't do very well in the service social security list. The second one is for user. It's not mean that okay, the company is good, but it not mean you can just make the username is 123 and the password is 123. So this is not security enough. So that's why we talking about these two things. So in my opinion, personally, I think we need to protect ourselves. Maybe this company is very good, even software is very good, and the service is very good, the server is good, everything is good, but when you just update your own personal fields to the privacy cloud or or public cloud, whatever you want, you update, you should encryption first, encrypt it firstly, because I think even you do even this good, but is maybe get accident or some emergency, you will lose your data, and you will lost your file, and you will lost your database or some informations. So you need backup. Firstly, encrypt it. Even people get this one. I mean, the attacker get this one. You have to decrypt it to get your information. This first one. The second one, I think we should. I think the cloud actually is very popular. Is public key, very popular encryption. Is a public key encryption. It means there is a public key encryption, and only one key is private key to decryption. So it's two keys for this one. So you if people, we just get the privacy key from the service, and service get the private key from us. It means this means we just can know each other, and other people can know what you update online.